Hey guys, Big Johnson coming at you. We've got the Sphinx SDP compact, but this isn't a standard compact. It has been jacked up a little bit. Modern system, or modern weapon system kit has been put in it. I do have the XS standard dot sights, and again, modern weapon system kit. It's a full kit without the hammer and without the trigger, the actual assembly. But everything else in it's changed. And I tell you what, it's really woken it up. So what we're gonna do, we are at 15 yards, got the steel target right up there, and we're gonna do headshots. We'll walk you up to it and let you see it. Now the trigger on this one, it was about 10 pounds, 2 ounces with the double action. Now it's down to 7 pounds, 5 ounces, I think. And now the single action is like 4 pounds, 8 ounces, but really nice trigger now. So got 2 mags, we'll put some rounds in it, and these aren't fully loaded, I don't think, but anyway, we're gonna do some headshots. Oh, guess it's empty because the slide's back. All right, with the XS, I do have to hold them. I got to put it like on a T, and I'm not quite doing that. So I've got some in the neck area, but some in the head area too. But I've got another mag here. I don't even know how many's in this, but now these are going to be all headshots. I'm going to try to tee it up the correct way. Wow. You talking about waking up a gun? This kit woke it up. Let's go take a look. Pistol is clear, no magazine in it, nothing in the chamber. 15 yards. I think I caught one high because I was adjusting the front ball. XS little. I mean, I really like them. Just a little different to get used to because we've been shooting other pistols today. But really nice group. I pulled a little bit of them at first, but look at that. Very happy with it. Guys, I'm telling you what, this Sphinx with the modern weapon system kit is unbelievable. It's changed this whole trigger. Let me go ahead and show you here. Let's do let's start off in double action. One hand. It's like it's on roller bearings. Unbelievable. Then we'll do single action. A little bit of take up. Wall. Bam. Reset. That's it. Double action again. Roller bearings. This honestly now feels just like my Shadow 2, but in a compact carry package. Super impressed with it. This has woken this whole Sphinx up. So I appreciate y'all as always. Remember, an unarmed nation is a weak nation, so we all got to carry on.